If you're feeling intensely distressed right now or have high urges to harm yourself, the TIP skill is likely to be the most effective skill for you. The TIP skill starts with tipping the temperature using cold water and ice. The idea is that you put your whole face into the water and hold your breath for 15 to 30 seconds. This will trigger something called the dive reflex, which naturally lowers your heart rate and in turn will lower the intensity of your emotions. If you don't feel like you're able to put your face in water, you can also get instant ice packs or put ice in a Ziploc bag and place it on either side of your cheeks while you bend forward and hold your breath. That will have a similar effect, not quite as effective as the full face submerge. I will now demonstrate it for you so you can see what it looks like. So I've added in my ice. I'm going to stand up, bend forward with my face in. If I can't hold my breath for 30 seconds, then I'll just bring my face out and put it right back in afterwards. So that's the temperature part of the TIP skill. The second part of the skill is intensive exercise. This can be anything from wall sits, star jumps, going for a walk or run, anything that you feel would be intensive exercise for you. They recommend 20 minutes, but do whatever you can manage. This part of the skill will burn off any excess energy that you have. Normally when we're distressed, we're full of lots and lots of adrenaline, and we need to try and get that out of our system in order to calm down. The third step is paced breathing. This means that your out breath is going to be longer than your in breath. So you might breathe in for 4 and out for 6, or you might breathe in for 5 and out for 8, whatever you're comfortable with, so long as your exhale is longer. Keep repeating that a few more times. The final skill is paired muscle relaxation. This involves tensing and then relaxing each part of your body to try and release some of the tension that's associated with the motion that you're experiencing. We'll go through it together bit by bit. There are also worksheets that will break it down for you and describe each muscle area. So we're going to start with our hands, wrists, lower and upper arms, shoulders, and you can tense those all together by making fists, bending them towards your wrists, bringing your shoulders up, and just hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and relax. Try to say the word relax in your head as you let go of that tension. The next part is our face. So we're going to scrunch up your forehead, shut your eyes tightly, whilst you also scrunch up your nose, bring your cheeks up towards your ears. You can also push your tongue to the roof of your mouth whilst biting your teeth, and trying to do all of that together and relax. And then the next part is about our chest and our back and our stomach. So for these ones, we're going to take a deep breath and hold it. You're going to arch your back with your shoulder blades together and hold your stomach in tightly. And relax. And now for our lower body, you're going to squeeze your buttocks together, have your legs out in front of you to tense your thighs. If you point your toes down together, hold it there for a moment and relax. So you work through each part of your body. If there's any part of your body that you do not feel comfortable focusing on, especially if it's a source of pain or if it's associated with a particular trauma, it is okay to skip that body part. The idea is just to try and release some of the tension in your body. So that is the final part of the TIP skill. You have now managed to slow down your heart rate, burn off any excess energy, slow down your breathing and get rid of that muscle tension, so you should be feeling a lot calmer than you were before. The TIP skill is a very, very effective skill at reducing the intensity of your emotions and the intensity of your urges, and at the same time it doesn't tend to last for long. So make sure that when you finish the TIP skill, you follow it up with other skills like distraction to stop those urges from creeping back up again.